guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my very first Notion video. So today in this video I'm gonna be giving you a Notion tour of my Notion. So yeah, let's get started. So first here I got the cover and the icon. Here it says Elle's dashboard and just like singing. And then here I got the clock. Yeah, and here I got my calendar. So basically like all the you know plans, I guess. So here I got the daily plan. So this is my habit. Not really daily plan, probably my daily use. Like this one is the habit tracker, and here it's the daily journal. So I think I actually changed this. Yeah, and then here I got my to-do list, like my weekly to-do list. That's like probably my like only to-do list in the to-do list thing. So yeah. Then here I got blogs with basically like my personal blog. Yeah, I know I used a tutorial on that one. I think I made that yesterday. And here I got the planners. This one, it's the weekly planner. So here you could see the weekly plan. And then the monthly planner. I don't have a daily planner yet, but yeah. And then I got my calendar and then monthly plans. I haven't really planned any months yet, so here this is the tracker, the shopping list thing. And then study corner, like my assignments. This one is the not yet finished, and like this one is the finished one. So yeah, you can see subtraction there. And then here is my notebooks. So basically like all my notes, like this one, like the human heart, I think I made this the other day, I think. And then I got the description thing, and then I just like wrote a little bit of notes, like math, English, Filipino, science. And I think it's the last one now, this one, the book list. So this is basically like a book list, like my library, and then book tracker, and like this is like the tracker. So date started and date ended, and then my finished books. So like it would be here, I think, when a book is finished. I just need to press like the check if I'm like finished. And yeah, that's basically my whole Notion tour. And I didn't mention this this bunny sleeping. Yeah, that's basically like my whole Notion tour. I haven't really made anything, so like yeah, so yeah, that's basically all for today's video, and see you again.